As you reset and settle into the goals or resolutions you've made in this new year, we want to tell you that dental hygiene is no exception.
That's right. Jeff and I checked in with Dr. Parker of Prairie Rose Family Dentists on what you should focus on to improve your oral health. Take a look.
So we're still at the beginning of the year, and I know people are trying to get their best selves out there, which includes health. So what would be a good thing to consider when it comes to oral health?
It's a great time to look at your previous routine, you look at your current routine and decide for yourself, can we improve? Can we look at ways to find our best self? And for some patients that means just continue to do what they've been doing, brushing and twice a day flossing, getting in to see the dentist twice a year for annual checkups. Some people, it's been a little while, and we see patients all the time. It's been a year, it's been 5 years, it's been 10 years. This is the year. This is a great time to get in and get things evaluated and see where you're at. And if there are corrections to be made, build a plan and get there.
So, Dr. Parker, can we kind of reset the clock on our own at home with oral care, or is this something, do we need to actually go into a dentist, get a good cleaning, and start fresh? What's your thoughts?
There's an old adage, the best time to plant a tree is 20 years ago. The next best time is today. Granted, some conditions, there's damage that's there, and it will be something we'll contend with for life, but there's always an opportunity to improve things. There's always an opportunity to reverse some of the damage in terms of periodontal disease. And there's definitely room to improve, and there's definitely an opportunity to go forward with good oral health and good routines that develop a lifetime of oral health.
So are there certain things that you see commonly that people lack in their oral health?
The most frequent thing we see is flossing, obviously.
Okay.
Many patients aren't aware of the benefits, and sometimes patients just find it unpleasant. If you go in, you talk to your dentist, you talk to the dental hygienist, we can definitely demonstrate and show you how to do it, how to improve your technique so that flossing can be comfortable. Flossing is actually very beneficial in terms of periodontal disease. A lot of patients mistakenly believe we encourage flossing just because of the cavities. But the reality is, once you hit adulthood, a huge part of your oral health care routine is actually combating periodontal disease, the gum disease. And because those are so common and it's so easy to develop gum disease without proper home care, we know that flossing really makes a huge difference. We know that removing the food debris, the plaque, the bacteria, and those biofilms that form from between the teeth it's half of the surfaces that are surrounded by the gums. So brushing by itself is good. It's very beneficial towards removing those debris and material that's in your mouth, but it's the flossing that kind of pushes the needle past good to great, so to speak. Some patients mistakenly believe that mouthwashes are sufficient to replicate flossing, but they're simply not. They just don't get between the teeth. The physical removal of that debris makes a huge difference. And so developing that routine, once you get there, once you've developed a consistent routine, and you have the technique down where it's not uncomfortable to floss, it makes a huge difference. And it's as I said before, a lifetime of high quality oral health is really worth it. There is a real fear of the dentist, and it is. It's people are looking in your mouth. It's a place that you kind of hide generally throughout the day, throughout your life. And so when you allow someone to look in there, I mean, you feel like you're sitting in front of a judge and jury there. Like your home care routine is going to be visualized, and your eating habits can sometimes be discussed. Many patients, that is uncomfortable, but the advantage, especially the Prairie Rose advantage, is we try our very best to make sure that patients feel comfortable, that patients don't feel judged, that patients are collaborated with in terms of treatment and going forward and saying, hey, this is the problems we see. but this is how we make it better. This is how we go forward.
Brush your teeth, floss, and go to your dentist. All right, there are 3 Prairie Rose family dentists in the Bismarck-Mandan area. Call in if you're in need of a visit with them.
Yep.